Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that's what you're looking for, go ahead and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you can see all of my uploads, because I do surprise upload here and there. Today we are doing a wig tips video. I have a Wigs 101 playlist and a wig tips video where I talk about not just like the review of the wig, but just like wiggy topics and topics for you to know more and get better at wigs.
Own it, girl. Work that new hair. Do it.
Okay. Today we are talking about the 5 benefits of buying wigs from a wig reviewer. So if that is something you're interested in, this is the video for you, okay? I sell most of my wigs though on Poshmark. I actually have a video coming up where I am walking through how I purchase wigs on Poshmark, what I look for, and things like that. If it's not up and you'd like to see it, go ahead and put that down below. These are 5 tips in terms of buying wigs that you know a wig reviewer has reviewed. Let's talk about number 5. I'm going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I've not done that usually, but that's what we're doing because we're getting crazy. I've had a lot of coffee. Okay. Number 5 is there's a lot of new stock. I review a lot of wigs. So as I'm reviewing them, I'm putting them up. So you're always going to have new stock. You're always going to have things to choose from. And so that's definitely a plus. Number 4, you can sometimes get a deal on, especially on Poshmark. Other wig reviewers sell in other places. Some use like that big cartel. I haven't used that yet. But a lot of times there's bundling involved, whether it's through big cartel or you can just bundle on Poshmark. So often you can get a really good deal, especially on some newer wigs. Number 3 is they come pre-customized. So when I review a wig, I do whatever I do to it. So you, if you're buying it from me, you wouldn't have to do it because it's already done. Number 2, there's a lot of detail that you can have on the wig when you watch the review of that particular wig. So you're going to get a lot of details. You can ask some questions before you purchase. I write in my Poshmark to go check out the review so you can see what I did to it, what I thought of it, and all that type of stuff. So you can really get an idea of what you're getting before you buy it. And then the number 1 reason to buy a wig from a wig reviewer, in my opinion, is the fact that you legitimately have like a step-by-step instruction of that exact wig, what I did, how I did it, everything. You know exactly what was done with the wig, and you know how to replicate it because you actually have a step-by-step video tutorial for that specific wig. Those are my top 5 reasons why you should buy wigs from a wig reviewer. If you have additional reasons, please go ahead and put that down below. If you purchase from me, go ahead and put down below why you chose to do that. And yeah, if you have another wig tips video topic that you would like me to do, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. You're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. I will see you in my next video. Bye.